Hi, this is Rocky from Bougainville Flooring Superstore, and here's another tip to help you shop from home.
A lot of you people have asked us a lot of questions about how do you start with a color as far as redoing or renovating your own space. Some of the hottest colors right now are gray. So whether you're just purchased a place, you're putting your place on the market, or maybe you just want to sit at home and you're looking at the walls and you're ready to redecorate. One of the things that is possible with gray is that it can come in a lot of different forms. A lot of people don't know that gray has different undertones. Gray can have a lavender undertone, like this. Lavender grays look really good sometimes also with your redwood walls that you have. The green gray is also a very popular color, and that's used a lot in interior decorating as well. The blue-green gray is also another popular one. If you like the turquoises and things like that, it's a good one to go with. One of the most popular grays, though, that we sell is the blue gray, and that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. This is an example of a blue-gray room. You see the blue-gray couch, as well as the blue here, as well as this area rug and a blue-gray floor. These are some examples of some of our blue-gray floors that we stock. The blue-gray on this one is from Cali. This is a gray ash. Some people want a lighter blue-gray, which we do have in Sandy Beach. This is a Pacifica collection. This is going to read as a solid color, so it's not going to have a lot of shade variation. The Milk Toast, however, from Pergo is going to have a little bit more shade variation. It's a much lighter floor as well. So if you have dark furniture, it's going to show up really well. To put this all together, we do have a cast area rugs that we also sell that can do with your blue-gray scheme as well. So it can tie all your colors together and also bring out an accent color like the blue in this, okay? We also have blue-grays in our tiles. This one is by Cortex, this one is by Pergo. These are both possible tiles that you could put in a kitchen or a bathroom as well. These are some of the blue-gray samples that I have that you could also use as different paint colors to pull in a little bit more of your blue-gray. A cabinet color could be blue-gray as well. It's also very popular for cabinets. It's a very good color for an exterior on your house with white trim. Blue-gray is actually a very good color also for resale. So if you're putting something on the market and you're trying to sell, this is a very good color. We also have carpets that are in the blue-gray tones as well that will work really with your interior for your resale as well. When you think of blue-gray, you also think of a bathroom that has the Carrara marble. If you have any further questions, you can reach me at my desk phone here at the store. That's 791-1602.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us at bougainvilleflooringsuperstore.com.